After the Great War between humans, vampires, werewolves, and elves, an agreement was made that hybrid offspring would rule the world.
I'll kill you!
Swear by the blood of our ancestors of the ancient covenant. All traitors shall meet fire and annihilation.
In my previous life, I chose to marry Jax, the eldest son of the werewolf pack, known for his fierce loyalty. I gave birth to our hybrid son, we named Zeal. My sweet pup. My sister had lusted after the elves' beauty and married into their clan.
Come taste me, my prince. I'm already wet.
But the elf prince slept with every female in the forest.
Why does she get to have everything so happily, while I have nothing at all?
In the end, my sister caught a disease that left her barren. Jealous and bitter, she set a fire that burned me and my young pup alive. When I opened my eyes again, I was back on the day of the racial alliances. This time, I will never repeat the same mistakes again. When I saw my sister had already slept with Jax first and was lying in bed with him, I knew she had been reborn too. But she didn't know that Jax was brutally savage with his mates, having torn countless she-wolves apart in his bed during his ruts. There, on the massive fur-covered bed, my sister Clara was naked, her legs spread wide as Jax pounded into her relentlessly.
I will bear your heir for you, Jax. You will marry me, right?
Of course. As long as you give birth to my heir, I will become the next ruler of the world, and I will be loyal to you forever.
Her eyes staring at me provocatively, as if declaring to me that she was the victor.
Sister, Jax and I are truly in love. Please, let us be together. And we've already If I don't marry Jax now, no other prince will want me as his wife.
Clara, you know perfectly well that Jax is my fiancé. We have long been betrothed, and it is known to all races.
Yet you still slept with him? Not only that, but you dare beg father to let you be together in front of me?
Sister, we are truly in love.
True love? True love gives you the right to betray your own sister?
True love lets you climb into my fiancé's bed on the eve of my wedding?
Rowena, that's enough. Clara's mine now. Our hearts and souls are already one. Do not pester me with the engagement any longer.
Jax, do not blame my sister. It is all my fault. I love you too deeply to hand you over to anyone else.
This betrothal was forced upon us by our clans. I have never accepted it. Clara came to me of her own will out of love, and I desire her in return.
If you still have a snare of dignity, Rowena, stop clinging to me like a discarded thing. Choose another prince and cease humiliating yourself in front of others.
Rowena, maybe you can pick another mate. Clara just got carried away and made a mistake.
In my past life, I'd chosen Jax, the eldest son of the werewolf Alpha. To me, vampires were cold and heartless. Elves were fickle players. Only werewolves were lawlessness. Only wolves were loyal and passionate. The perfect choice. 6 months after mating with Jax, I bore him a wolf pup, naming him Zeal. As the first hybrid born, Zeal became the rightful next ruler of the world. But Clara, craving the elves' allure, picked the elf prince Eldlin. She didn't know he'd wrought with every willing female in the woods. It left Clara with a nasty infection, barren for life and shunned by the elf clan. She blamed me for her misery, jealous that my life was better. She slipped me a sedative and set our den ablaze, burning me and Zeal alive. Thinking of it now, rage boiled in my veins. I wanted to rip Clara's throat out right there, avenging Zeal.
There's nothing to discuss!
Jax, you took my sister's virginity on the eve of our alliance ceremony, knowing fine well we were betrothed. Now you stand here defending her? Have you no honor at all?
Honor? The only honor that matters is producing the first hybrid heir.
Clara is willing and fertile. I can smell it on her.
Sister, please, don't ruin our happiness.
Rowena, my daughter, perhaps we can discuss this calmly.
There's nothing to discuss!
Clara stays with me. End of story.
The tension in the room thickened like storm clouds. Jax's eyes locked onto mine with pure warning, while the servants held their breath, waiting for my reaction. I met Jax's gaze without flinching.